What is up? What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Trucking by Night. Sorry about it being so dark out here, guys. It is 4 a.m. currently, but I just wanted to show you guys something that Night just unveiled, and let's go take a look.
I'm gonna keep on running. I'm gonna fight till I get to the top. With every step I know that I'm not gonna stop.
Alright guys, so I'm back. So the truck that you guys just saw is the first of the veteran fleet that Night just started up. This is the first truck that just rolled out. They did a random drawing, see what terminal was going to get it and what driver was going to get it. This driver just got into this truck, but I just want to get you guys' opinions on it. I know a lot of companies out here have started doing their veteran trucks, but in my opinion, I think this is probably one of my favorite ones so far that I've seen out of most of the companies. But let me know in the comment section below what you think. Also, if you enjoy my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell so you get notified, and y'all stay safe.